This live trading video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Trading involves risk, so always do your own research and trade responsible. Hello guys, welcome back to another live trading session. Today, my balance for this session will be $950 and my trade clock will be at 1 minute and my trades will be in the $10. Some of you guys can ask, some of you are curious, what time frame do I use for the charts? Actually, you can see the chart time frame by looking here. It shows I am at the 1 minute right now, but if you can see, let me tell that I usually will use 1 minute for normal trades, but for verification, I can use 5 minutes or more lower time frames, like in here. If I use lower time frames, I will tell in the session, and you guys can understand what time frame do I use. Now I will check the markets. I am looking for a ranging market that I can find some technical analysis such as support, resistance, supply, demand. Okay, there is a bullish. We are in a ranging price at the moment. We have a few doji in here. One very strong in here. If the candle close in here, close the zone, I can open a buy trades. But if it doesn't, I will skip the trade. Alright, I will skip the trades. Now, let's take a look at we have a bearish trend. What do we have? We have few doji. Very big candle in here. Few more doji. In here. Do we have a trend line? We might have a support and resistance flip, but it's a kinda old, so I can't trust that too much. Actually, that one looks good. We have a bearish trend in here. We touched the zone. We have a red candle. I can open a sell trade in here. I opened my trades. Also, we got one coin. Now, let's check the lower time frame to show what I mean. Now, firstly, I will make my zone more clear. I will take this doji. So the thing I am trying to do right now is that make a zone that is mostly the candles give a rejection in this zone. So we have a bearish trend in the market. We have a trend line that touched it. Also, when the price touched this line, we got one profit. When the price touched this trend line, we got one red candle. That's confirmation for us. Also, that little our white zone that show us the common point of rejections is also gave us some verification. But mostly this is a tree verification trade. When you look here, you can see the price make a zigzag in here. In such a moments, you can think there is a flag. Actually, you are right. But flag is mostly more strong when the makes a more clear candles. Like how can I show? Let me find. Wait. Let me draw. What can I show? Let's say this is the uptrend. After the uptrend, these large lines. So we should see something like that with more clear, not with that very exquisite market. Okay, we have a what do we have in here? Okay, the candles mostly look like in a bearish trend. I was thinking to open a buy trade in here, but since the trend is a bearish and I don't have enough confirmation, I'm gonna skip this trade. Now, let me explain what I did in here. You see, common point of projection is always everywhere. But the important thing that you need to be careful is that every candle needs to touch that line. So in here, we can say it acted like a sport. After that, it started to make an overlap and become a flip. Look in here, it become a new resistance. And after this breakout, the price wanted to come back to the same line that it just broke it in here. And in here, it will act like a support. So that was I want to use in here. And we have 2 seconds and profits. All right. I will continue to check the markets. Let me start from the back. Okay, we do have a trend line in here. But the momentum is looking very stable. I can't go with the trend right now because the trend looks like bullish. I will draw the trend line in here, but for opening a buy trades, I definitely should take a verification with a green candle or fake breakouts. Okay, the candle touched our trend line. We have a round number. We are getting a green candle right now. I will go and check the 5 minutes. Okay, in 5 minutes there is also a bullish trend. So in 1 minute and 5 minutes trend is the same. I can use that. Now, as you can see in here, the chart is very strong, has a very strong momentum. We made a very big candles in here, 2 down here. And this show me the sellers is very strong in this price at the moment. So if I take a buy trade in here, I will probably lose because sellers is still as a strong in the charts. And that's why I had to skip this trade. Okay, we do have a range market still in here. Do we have any doji that I can use? We have a gap down in here. Alright, I will skip this one again. Okay, that looks good. We have a bullish trend. We have a trend line. That is probably coming to our trend line. I will drive it for you so you can see it as well. Like that, maybe a little bit more. Okay, like that. So if the next candle gives us a green candle, I will open up buy trades with one trade probably. So depends on the candle. I will make a one trade or a two trades. We are waiting for the green candle. Let me announce this. We have an awesome Telegram community channel. In this channel, you can discuss your trades, share your ideas, and do so much more. We also organize events from time to time where you can win real cash to use in your trading or however you want. If you are interested and want to join, the Telegram community channel link is in the description. To buy trade in here. Now the reasons of this trade. Let me delete that. Okay. First, we have a bullish trend. Second, we got a trend line that is touching every candle. And third one, we got a green candle verification with that rejection in here. Also, if you can see, there is a bullish engulfing in here. If you ask what is a bullish engulfing, bullish engulfing is, I think, when the price make a price makes a candle. Wait, let me delete that. I will explain this in soon. Okay, we got one more profit, and we reached to 1000. Now let me explain the trade. What do I was saying? We have a bullish trend. We have a trend line. Also, we have a candle formation. So this is a three verification trade. Looks, we have a bullish engulfing in here. Bullish engulfing. The chart needs to make a down trade before coming here. After that, when the chart makes a small red candle like that, the next candle should be more bigger than that. Like that. Take this yellow as a green. So when this happens, we call this as a bullish engulfing candle. And with that, the other two verifications, I can take that. The next candles will be as a uptrend. Alright guys, that's all from me. Take care of you and see you in the next video.